In today's class, we're learning words about doing the garden. You'll see some cute icons, and your challenge is to guess the right word. Let's test your vocabulary and have some fun together.
Can you see the three now? Let's start right away, huh?
A spray container. A magician. Real dead. A quick growing. Some jar brick. A beautiful climbing rose bush. A beautiful climbing rose bush.
Climbing rose bush.
Rose bush. Rose bush. Revive. Disease resistant. Don't get the grass growing on your feet.
Compiled by Ms. Lily English for Intermediate Learners, Speaking Focus.
Any recommendation? About 6 or 7 watts. Try to get rid of. Let's move on to into gardening. Make a blend.
Compiled by Ms. Lily English for Intermediate Learners, Speaking Focus.
Her. Real dead. Oh, seems to be on its last leg.
How many words did you get? Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Now, let's review. Read them out loud with our students. Don't be shy. Practice makes perfect.
Spray container, spray container, spray container. A magician, a magician, a magician. Dead as the doornail dead. Dead as in doornail dead. A quick growing variety. A quick growing variety. A quick growing variety. Some yard work. Some yard work. Some yard work. A beautiful climbing rose bush. A beautiful climbing rose bush. Revive, revive, revive. Disease resistant, disease resistant, disease resistant. Don't let the grass grow around your feet. Don't let the grass roll around your feet. Don't let the grass roll around your feet. Any recommendation? Any recommendation? Any recommendation? 6 or 7 cold. 6 or 7 cold. 6 or 7 cold. Try to get rid of. Try to get rid of. Let's move on to. Let's move on to. Let's move on to. It's really into gardening. It's really into gardening. It's really into gardening. Made a blunder. Made a blunder. Made a blunder. At some point. At some point. At some point. Her bright apple tree. Her bright apple tree. Her bright apple tree seems to be on its last leg. Seems to be on its last leg. Seems to be on its last leg.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.